para tayong pumunta ng birthday party, walang dumating na bisita. But unlike a party, you can celebrate naman with your closest friends, family. Pero dito po sa hearing, I think we can still be productive. But ayoko naman, Madam Chair, na pagalitan yung present dahil maraming absent. So may I take the opportunity to thank very much Attorney Alexis Medina, um, Attorney Santiago, Attorney Bernal. Alam namin na pag ganito kabigat yung issue ay may consequences din yung pagsasalita, may consequences yung pag-a-appear. But Madam Chair, I think, more than kind last hearing in terms of not pressing my questions kapag sinabi nilang sub judice. But just to clarify, well settled na yan, whether sa jurisprudence or sa history ng Senate, na mere filing of a case or mere pendency of the case does not stop the hearing, nor is it a reason for them not to discuss